Now, welcome back to my online class. Now, I'm here to discuss on what equation of wave. Now, there's an example here. A plane progressive wave is represented by the equation y equal to 2 sine bracket 200 pi t minus 0.5 pi t. Now, number one, ask for what amplitude. Please take note. Let's solve this solution. Most students find the equation of what? Equation of wave difficult, but it's very simple. Now, once you calculate the amplitude denoted by what? A. Amplitude, you know that what A. Now, please note now, whenever you are calculating amplitude on the equation of wave, what are you going to do? You look for a place where you can find amplitude. Take note now, okay. What am I going to do now? The first thing I have to do is that write your given equation. What is my given equation? My given equation is given as for 2 sine 200 pi t minus 0.5 pi x. What are you going to do? You compare the given equation with the original or general what? General equation. So now in this case now, the first thing you have to do is that you compare. Now what is my general equation? I'll take my general equation to what? Y equal to what? A sine omega t. Call this one minus, I think it's minus kx. Please take a look now. What is my general equation? My general equation is given as well. My own general equation, I'm taking it to be what? A sine over x omega t minus kx. Now, the first thing I'm going to calculate is amplitude. How can I get amplitude? Please don't forget, amplitude is always attached to sine. Now, I'm going to check my general equation or my original equation and my given equation. What is the given equation of amplitude is what? 2. I mean that therefore, to get my A now, I know that A is also what I don't know. So I know that A sine equal to this part also. You got what? 2 sine. Sine cancels sine. Therefore, my A equal to what? 2 meter. As simple as ABC. Now number 2 now, I want to get my frequency. Please take note now, from my given or from my original equation, I cannot find frequency directly, but there is a particular quantity here that will give my frequency. What is that quantity? This that is angular speed, denoted by like symbol of W. Now, and when I find this omega is always attached to T. I will now compare it to my given equation. Where can I find the T? T is found at this place, so I will equate this part and this part together. And then therefore, omega T is equal to what? 200 by T. Now, I need to get frequency. Now, what can give me frequency is this W, like omega or angular speed. Now, I know that angular speed is this angular speed give me what? 2 pi L. That is the order for angular speed. And this T here, is here, I'll put the T. So you got to what? 200 pi T. Now, what can I find in common? T cancel T here. Pi cancel pi, and left with what? 2n equals to 200. Now, I need to get frequency. There's 2 attached to frequency, divided both sides by 2. Now, 2 cancel 2. I'm left with my what now? Frequency. Now, my frequency is equal to what now? 200 divided by 2. So, my frequency is equal to what? 100 as simple as what? ABC. Now, number 3 now, I need to find my what? Wavelengths. Now, from the given equation and my original equation, I cannot find wavelength directly from this equation I gave you. Now, how can I get it? I can get the wavelength from this scale, which is called wave constant or wave what number. Now, and this scale is always attached to x. Therefore, I will equate this part to this part also, because this place s attached to this part. So I want to compare both sides. I want to get my wavelength now. Now, and my wavelength I can find inside this scale. So therefore, kx, I will go to this part as x also. That is 0.5 pi x. Now, what is my k? My k was what? 2 pi over lambda. This x I place it here equal to what? 0.5 pi x. Now, what can I find in common? S cancel x. Pi cancel pi, I have what's left 2 over pi equal to 0.5. Now I can put 2 over 1 here. I need to get lambda. So this is wavelength. Lambda times 0.5 will give me 0.5 lambda equal to 2 times 1 will give me what? 2. I need to get my what? Lambda. I divide by what? 0.5. Divided by 0.5. So this guy cancel here for lambda equal to 2 over 0.5. So only calculator. When you divide 2 divided by 0.5, lambda gives me what? 4 meter. As simple as ABC. Now, I want to get my what? I want to get my velocity number 4. So velocity is on what is the problem of getting the velocity? Velocity equals to what? F lambda. So remember now, V equal to I've gotten my F initially before. So what is my F? My F is 100. Multiplied because my wavelength. My wavelength is what? 4. Therefore, my velocity equals what? 400. And the unit of velocity equals what? Meter per second. As simple as ABC. Please, before I stop, you notice that let's assume this question is an objective question, and the first thing you have to calculate is the what? Velocity. I want to go through this process before I calculate velocity. Let me give you another formula, a sharper formula, a formula that you don't need to solve before you get to answer. Assuming it's an objective question. So just as all, to get our wave speed of velocity equals what? W over K. And what is my W? Don't forget, from my generation, W is always inside T. From here. But if you can still do this in this form, because of the time, I will solve this one in my next video. Please don't worry, I'll solve this one in my next video. So just follow up. I'll solve this kind of using another formula. But not take note of this. If you don't understand this, you can pause it and go and go over it again. So, and if you don't understand, please just drop your comments on my comment section. Please also subscribe to my channel and share, like. Thank you.